IBS Hyderabad. Why have students rated 40th rank ICFAI Business School a lukewarm 3.9 out of 5 on Shiksha.com? ICFAI Business School or IBS is a deemed to be university, and its coveted top 50 ranking is better than some of the newer IIMs like that of Jammu and Bodh Gaya, with a total tuition fee of rupees 16 lakh. But while it gains in infrastructure, quality of campus life and quality of teaching, there are improvements needed in its ability to attract better placement packages, which has also brought down its value for money rating. According to students, more than 150 companies visited the campus during placement season. Some of these companies are Morgan Stanley, ICICI Bank, Tata, Amazon, Capgemini, HDFC Bank, Cognizant. As is evident, many of these companies are in the recruiter's C-suite, but what are they paying IBS grads? The range goes right from 6 lakh per annum to 21 lakh per annum, with average packages hovering around 10.42 lakh per annum for the year 2023. The highest international package was 58 lakh per annum. The majority of these offers are from the roles of business analyst and management trainees. The largest chunk of offers are being made from the banking and financial services sector, followed by IT, ITES and consulting. The silver lining is that average salary packages have steadily been increasing at IBS in the past 3 years, as can be seen in this trend chart. Students have rated placements 3.6 out of 5. Moving on to faculty, here's what students have to say about the teachers in their reviews on Shiksha.com. They say, "We have the best teachers. Teachers in our college will change your perspective on life." Some students also go on to say that faculty-student ratio is 1:45. All faculty members are highly qualified and excellent in their respective fields. While there are some mixed reviews as well. The students go on to say that there is a mix of both good and average teachers. Only a few faculty members are good, but others just rush to finish the course. Online exams are MCQ based and offline are theory based, and these are tougher to crack. IBS has also entered into numerous industry and academic collaborations with the likes of NSC, BSc, Indian Railways, NABARD, IBM, IGIDR, to name a few. That gives it an edge over other institutes when it comes to their curriculum and student readiness for different sectors. Overall, the faculty gets a rating of 4.0 by students on Shiksha.com. Now you might think that IBS, being part of the 91-acre ICFAI Foundation of Higher Education or IFHE campus, has all the infra advantage possible. But some students have pointed out to pockets of poor maintenance. They say infrastructure is good but not well maintained, and there are issues regarding cleanliness, especially in the hostel. Even the gym is not well maintained. One can argue that with 1,320 students only in management, the campus is definitely crowded and strained. Sports infra include table tennis, basketball, squash, swimming, badminton. Quality of food served in the mess is not that great but manageable, say the students. Hostel facility is good, rooms are big and are on a twin sharing basis. Students have given infrastructure an overall rating of 4.3. IBS demands an eligibility of at least 50% at the graduation level and a minimum score of 85 percentile in CAT or around 150 score in NMAT. They also accept GMAT and XAT scores. IBS also conducts its own entrance test called the IBS Aptitude Test. If you do not exhibit English proficiency or do not have English as your primary language in your 10+2+3, you would need to submit TOEFL, IELTS scores as well. Finally, let's take a look at the campus life at IBS. There are over 32 student clubs, each organizing their own special events. Additionally, budding business managers regularly take part in competition with other business schools both nationally and internationally. Besides that, the Career Management Center frequently arranges programs where students get to meet and learn from professionals in different fields like finance, marketing, HR, operations, and IT. The student body is highly diverse, hailing from multiple states, so language barriers are not a concern. Wrapping it up, IBS is counted in the list of the nation's top 50 MBA colleges. It enjoys locational advantage being in Hyderabad, which is crawling with tech companies hungry for talent. These companies are also offering the best domestic and international packages when compared to the other IBS campuses. Despite this, IBS has to work harder to provide better ROI to its students, since other B schools having similar cost of program are able to provide the comfort of higher average packages. Because of this, the overall value for money rating given to IBS by its students is a muted 3.4. For more details on IBS Hyderabad and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so please do comment and share this video.